You know how much we love our Iron Orchid Designs Woodland Christmas transfer. When you've used up every last bit of it, when you've done all the projects that you can, and you're still craving more, flip that transfer pad over, and I'll show you how to make something really cute using these bits and pieces. So grab a 5x7 IOD wood gallery blank and a few colors of your favorite paints to blend into the background. I'm using Skeleton Key and Prairie Gray. I paint the wood blank with a white paint. This is Debis DIY beadboard. On the back of this transfer pad, flip it over and you've got all of this goodness that you can use. Just cut out the little mini images that you want to use. I had 2 transfer pads, so I cut out 2 of those little watercolor tree images. And then trim them so that they butt up together and they fit inside that 5x7 frame. And then simply glue them in place. Then I'm going to take my paints and I'm going to start blending over the background. I'm also going to use my paints over top of the cardboard image. I'm just looking to blend the image into the background of the wood blank. To add just a little more detail and texture, dip the edge of a piece of cardboard in Prairie Gray paint and drag it here and there across the background. To help camouflage the edge between the cardboard and the back of the wood blank, I printed a little sentiment on my computer and glued it in place. Then just give it a clear coat of your favorite sealer or wax. Isn't this the cutest little thing? Don't throw away one bit of that transfer pad until you have found a way to use every last bit of those images on the front and the back of the IOD package.
Yeah, coy. Peeking over the top, coy. Make it coy.
Iron Orchid Designs products and Debis DIY clay-based chalk paint are available at our shop on Main Street in Medina, New York, and at lnjgoods.com.